recording video. We're getting a science talk here in the museum. And lovely Yvonne is taking more pictures. Hey there.
Working on the third memory card, just kidding.
But yeah, these guys are absolutely amazing. Absolutely enormous fish, catfish. And we're all here just hanging out in the middle of it all. What do you guys think?
We're standing under water right now.
Yeah, we are. And if you can see out, now we're looking back up at the people that are in the rainforest who were looking out at us. Oh, that guy, yeah. Now that guy's called Arapaima, and one of the curators here, Karen, was just showed us one of his scales, which I thought just seemed to be a giant leaf petal or something, a flower petal. I think it was like 2 inches wide across. So,